Alright, so what's going on YouTube? So today in Florida, and I'm going to be taking care of this 28-foot Cedar Creek RV. And this thing is in good shape. It's not been neglected. So this is what you could typically expect if you just keep up on your equipment, keep up on the maintenance. Talk about that in the last video or in the last segment, you know, with the airplane. It's all about maintenance. So with this, it needs to be washed. So we're gonna foam it all the way down, use some cleaners, and you see these black streaks and stuff. The idea is to get all that stuff off as much as possible before going in and polishing and waxing the side of this RV. And it's gonna turn out amazing. You can see oxidation. You see like this black streak coming all the way down, these black streaks. I'll show you up close. This is normal, so it just needs to be detailed. And client here, he actually tried to do some buffing and tried to clean up in a small area here. But as you can see up there, this is dirty. And when you look at it from this side, I'm gonna show you. You can kind of see that oxidation, kind of like up in here, but I'm going to show you something. Just in a place where it did a small spot is right here, and you can see a sharp contrast between that one little spot and the rest of this. So that's the overall condition of it. It is oxidized, and it should come back to a pretty great condition after it's done. But what I'm gonna do, I got to get out all this stuff out of the back of the truck. Gonna set up the scaffolding. Also, got to bring out the pressure washer, all that kind of good stuff. And I'm gonna show y'all some tips as far as how to polish and buff an RV. And this is gel coat, just for you to know. This is gel coat. This is paint down here, and the stripes and everything are vinyl. So give me just a sec. Been on the road. It was about from Alexander City to Crawfordville, where I'm at right now. It took about total, it was about an 8-hour stretch, but stopped in Pensacola and took care of some stuff, and then came on over here. So it's a beautiful day today. So anyway, let me go ahead and get going, and then I'm going to show y'all a few tips and tricks. I wouldn't say really tricks, but I'm going to show you a few tips, and maybe you can get something out of it. So all right everybody, so what I'm going to show you real quick is that if you want to do a buff job on a gel coat on a RV, get you a wool pad, and then I'm going to keep it clean, and just get you an RV wax, and any product will do. So let me show you a little bit here. I'm going to show you the after, and then we're going to get up out of here. Let's go. So everybody, the most important thing that I could say about doing gel coat is to, whatever wax that you're using, whatever brand that you pick for gel coats, realize that you're running it on the slowest speed. I'm only running on a 1.5, which is about 1500 RPMs. I'm not going to go any faster than that. And I'll start off super slow, and then speed it up to 1500. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to allow the product to work in to the surface. So here we go. wipe off the excess here. Not going to be much, because it's actually allowed the product to do the work and absorb into the gel coat, because that's what's happening. So you're removing some of the oxidation, but also you're putting oils and wax back into the gel coat. So something to keep in mind. What I like to do is when I apply the product, just move it all around on the pad, like so. That way it gets all over it. There we go. So I'm gonna do this section here. So let me move this camera. I'm gonna do this section here. Here we go. So the temperature today in Crawfordville is, it's been hanging around 95. You feel like temperature is about 101 all day today. And right now, it's the first time during the day I've actually seen some relief today. Let's see if I can get this down far enough. As far as temperature, because the sun has gone down just a little bit, there's a tree behind me. So giving a little bit of relief. One of the things that you'll probably notice is that I'm going at a slow speed, and the reason for that is that by moving, keeping the machine going side to side, up and down, and keeping it gliding with not a lot of pressure, you're not allowing the heat to build up to make any damage to the gel coat, so you can't burn it. So, but if you run it slow and you keep it moving, that's a pretty fail-proof way of ensuring that you don't burn it. So, but you got to keep it moving, and you got to keep it at a low speed. All right, everybody, so just wrapped up, and I'm gonna give you a walk around of this real quick. And as you can see, it turned out great. The backside that I was working on with y'all watching, that's how it turned out. As you can see, it turned out pretty. And then over here, turned out pretty over here. And on the nose, was dry. But as you can see now, it's got a reflection in there. It's pretty. Very, very pretty, y'all. So, turned out gorgeous. I'll go ahead and get everything together and everything wrapped up, and I'll see you in just a few. All right, everybody, so this is the end of the video, and behind me you can see a solid rocket booster from a rocket ship. So anyway, be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell for new notifications for videos just like this. See you on the next video, everybody. Bye-bye.